Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we're learning one of the most effective self-defense techniques, the front push kick. This kick helps create distance, stop pressure, and control your opponent safely. If you want better balance, power, and control, watch till the end. The front push kick is not just about kicking hard. It's about creating distance, breaking forward pressure, staying safe, controlling timing. This is used in self-defense and martial arts because it's simple and effective. Before kicking, your stance must be correct. Keep your hands up, chin down, shoulders relaxed, feet balanced. Never lean too far back. Lift your knee straight up. This builds control and balance. Don't rush this part. A strong kick starts with a strong chamber. Now extend your leg and push with the heel. Important. Toes up, heel forward. Push straight. Imagine pushing a door open. After impact, bring the leg back immediately. Never leave your leg hanging. Fast recovery means better defense. Mistake number 1, dropping your hands. Mistake number 2, leaning too far back. Mistake number 3, kicking without balance. Fix these and your kick improves instantly. Try this. 10 slow kicks, each leg. 10 medium speed. 10 full power. Focus on form first, then power. Consistency builds skill. Practice every day. Stay controlled and improve step by step. If this helped you, like, subscribe, and comment what kick you want next.